Alright folks, today I'm taking you on a delicious ride through the streets of India with a homemade twist. We're making Aaloo Ghobi Payaz Pratha right in your kitchen. First up, Aaloo Ghobi. Grab yourself some fresh cauliflower and potatoes. Chop them into bite-sized pieces. Now, heat some oil in a pan, add a pinch of cumin seeds and let them sizzle. Toss in some chopped onions and cook till they turn golden brown. Add ginger garlic paste for that aromatic kick. Next, throw in your cauliflower and potatoes. Spice it up with turmeric, coriander powder, cumin powder, and a little red chili powder if you like it hot. Give it a good stir. Cover and let it cook until everything's tender and the flavors are married together. Yum! Now for the star of the show, Payaz Pratha. Mix whole wheat flour with a pinch of salt and water to make a soft dough. Let it rest for a bit. In the meantime, finely chop some onions and green chilies. Add a pinch of salt and some garam masala to the onions for a flavor burst. Roll out your dough into small circles. Place some of the onion mixture in the center, fold the edges over and roll it out again. Heat a tawa or flat pan and cook your pratha till both sides are golden brown and crispy. There you have it, a comforting plate of Aaloo Ghobi Payaz Pratha. Perfect for any meal. Give it a try and let me know how it turns out in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking!